Welcome to the FAW Cup Draw Show here from the Avondale Motor Park Arena. Current holders of the JD Welsh Cup TNS have travelled down hoping to reach the semi-final, but I think our hosts here at Cumbrae Celtic are going to have something to say about that. We'll have the semi-final draw later on after what should be an entertaining fixture. Let's get stuck in. Well, 52 years you've been involved with Cumbrae Celtic. What does today mean to you as chairman of the club?
Well, it's the pinnacle really, isn't it? If you look at TNS, you look at their history, you look at what they've achieved. I think it's 13 titles out of the last 14, numerous cups. This is what little Cumbrae Celtic sort of aspires to. This is the dream that we have here at Avondale Motor Park Arena, to emulate what they do really. So it's massive for the club, it's massive for all the volunteers that we have here. The players, of course, they're excited, they want to do their best. Let's make no bones about it, we're very much the minnows today.
Well, James, it's a massive day for the town today. What are your thoughts going into this fixture?
Yeah, excitement more than anything. I think me and obviously all the boys on the club are really excited for it. You know, TNS obviously a massive club in Wales, and yeah, we're just going to give everything we got and see what happens in 90 minutes time.
It don't get much bigger than TNS for a cup tie. Do you think there is a cup upset on the cards? Do you reckon the players have that in them for today?
Oh, 100%, yeah. Like, you know, obviously everyone in the dressing room believes that we can do it. Whether we can is another question, but yeah, we're going to give it everything we got, and hopefully we can cause a massive upset.
There's a place in the semi-finals on the line here today. What would it mean for the club to get to that stage and hopefully get to the final once again this season?
You know, obviously we want to get the league sorted out as soon as possible if we can, and then the secondary is the Welsh Cup. But it's a fantastic cup, historic cup that you know, from a personal point of view, been very successful in, and also the club's been hugely successful in. So yeah, without a shadow of a doubt, it's something that we've not come all the way down here to do our best to get through to the semi-final.
Half-time here at Celtic Park, and it's Cumbrae Celtic 1, TNS 1. What did you think of that first half?
I thought it was a terrific performance from Celtic. They looked a little nervous in the opening moments, but they regained their composure. I was a little fearful when they went behind that well-taken early goal, but a terrific equaliser came in, and they even had a goal disallowed themselves, of course.
About that offside goal, I've heard a lot of people say it's a 50-50. I've had a lot of fans disputing it, or some saying it was offside. From where you was, what did you think of the decision?
It was a bit difficult to see the angle from where we were sat in the stand, but the referee was in no doubt, and he was never going to give the goal, so I think he was fairly clear, and that's all I could go by from where I was sat.
Well, commiserations, you put in an excellent effort today. What are your thoughts about the game overall?
I thought first half we really showed what we're about, what Celtic's about, but their quality showed, and you can all be proud. I mean, it's a massive day for the club.
There was plenty of support in the stands as well. A lot of people come out considering the rugby's on today as well. How did it feel in front of such a big crowd on a massive day for the club?
Oh, it's always great now. When you get eyes on you, it's always fantastic for the club. I mean, for a local club like us, this is grassroots, that's what we need.
Well, superb result for TNS today, and you had a massive impact on that yourself. What was your thoughts on the performance?
Yeah, we got there in the end. Obviously, we scored that early goal, and I thought we'd settle in the game, but they managed to obviously get a goal pretty much straight after us, and made it difficult for the first half. But we managed to come out the second half, and I think we did a professional job and managed to get the goals and to win the game.
Well, let's find out who TNS get in the semi-final as we head over to FAW HQ for the JD Welsh Cup semi-final draw.
Croeso ben cadlis pencampwriaeth Pêl-drod Cymru. Welcome to the Football Association of Wales for today's JD Welsh Cup semi-final draw. Congratulations to the 4 teams that progressed to the semi-final stage of the competition after their wins over the weekend. Some exciting games including our live match at Penabont against JD Cymru North side Holywell, who battled bravely right until the end. I'm today joined by former President of the Football Association of Wales and current member of the National Cup Board, Kieran O'Connor, who will today adjudicate today's draw. let's proceed with the draw. The first club out of the bowl for the semi-final stage is Penabont. A last minute penalty from Nathan Wood saw them advance past Holywell yesterday. And to face Penabont will be a repeat of last year's final, the New Saints. They're obviously the current champions of the competition. Next up we have Bala Town. And they will face fellow JD Cymru Premier side, Connors Quay Nomads. Good luck to all 4 sides in the semi-final stage of the competition. The matches will be played on the weekend of the 3rd and 4th of March at neutral grounds, which will be confirmed in due course. Good luck to all teams.